Today we're going to be reviewing the Penny Pincher Home Planner 2021. So this is a budget planner along with a 2021 dated planner. It's been really hard to find new planners lately because I don't know why. They're just like difficult to find, and I don't want to keep reviewing the same ones over and over again. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturday. So let's just start out with the cost for this. This was pretty affordable, which is what you'd expect for someone who is calling themselves the Penny Pincher. It was $44. It had free shipping, and it got here, I want to say like in 3 weeks. 4 weeks? It took a while. It was one of those things where after I ordered it, I was like, was I scammed? Is like no planner coming? And actually there was a planner, and I won't knock her, but it was a scam. She like had all these planners for sale, and it said pre-sale, it said coming out in November. And I was like, I think that's a typo. And so I waited for like 2 months. And then finally she just admitted on her social media that it was all a scam. And she gave, I don't know, she sent me a note saying she'd give me a refund. I don't know if I ever got a refund. I really wasn't sure. It was like $70 or something, which yes, I could use the $70, but it just wasn't worth it trying to follow up because it had been so many months. And like after a certain number of days, I think it's after 60 days, you can't get a refund on your credit card anymore. I should really stay on top of that. But that's a total aside. I guess if I had a budget planner like this one, maybe I would have stayed on top of it instead of doing everything electronically. So that's another reason maybe to switch over to paper instead of using something online like I do, which is Mint. Also, if you don't trust the internet, maybe using a paper budget planner is better too. All right, let's take a look inside. I really like this sticker. I mean, it's a plain brown box, but I think that made it extra cute. So let's go ahead, open it up. And we just got paper inside of here. It's here, praying for a beautiful day for you today, Lori and the PPP team, which stands for Passionate Penny Pincher. However, as soon as I saw that, I was like, it's the payroll protection program, which it is not, but same kind of thing, right? All deals with money. Now, there were 2 covers, and honestly, I wasn't a fan of either cover. They just weren't my style. But this was the whichever color. I shouldn't even say like the less unlikable color because I actually dislike them equally. So, but that's okay. It's not everyone's style is going to be the same. So it has a laminated cover just like Erin Condren's. And we have one of these pull out bookmarks just like Erin Condren's. And this one is actually a ruler. So we have a little note from Lori at Triple P. Swipe off the cover with the damn cloth. Oh, all right. And we have in here January through December. We have some gold foiled stickers here in the front. A couple more over here. And the 2021 Home Planner Daily Checklist for your home, family, and finances belongs to. And let's see, just more stuff. It looks like we have some colors branded all throughout. You know, maybe that's it. These colors exactly match the cover, and I'm just not, these just kind of aren't the shades of color that I really like. So it's really just personal preference, not like knocking this planner. And that's possibly why I just didn't like the cover. All right, here we go. Spring cleaning checklist, yard and home maintenance checklist. So I like that she's already thought of a lot of things for you to get you going. Company is coming checklist, Christmas checklist, weekly home project list, bill payment schedule, dream big home project list, 2021 financial goals, a couple pages for notes. We have the whole year for this and next year. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. So I guess this is very Bible-based, which is fine with me. I didn't realize that when I picked it up because it was just called the Passionate Penny Pincher versus the, I don't know, biblical penny pincher or the Christian penny pincher. I feel like that might have been a better description than passionate. January nerds complete January budget. Decide one financial goal, donate or throw away 25 items. Oh, I really like that. I would love to do that every day. Plan one fun activity for your family. So really the family is just me and Lucky. So we do fun things every day. All right, so January. Okay, so I like this, that the notes are on the left. I'm a huge fan of that just because I'm right-handed. And so when you put the notes over here, it's really hard to write them on the very edge. So I like that they're on the left over here. So you get a 2-page spread for the month. And then you get a checklist here of things that you should do, I guess, every single day. You should exercise, shower, make bed, start laundry, clean bathrooms, sinks, plan, prep dinner, wash, put away clothes, clean kitchen counters, wipe down kitchen sink, tidy main living space. Wow, this is someone who has like children in their house for sure. Make dinner, prep meals for the next day, wash, put away dishes, clean kitchen counters, wipe down kitchen sink, set out kitchen towels. Sweep, vacuum kitchen, fold laundry, tidy main living space. I don't know that I would do anything else if I had to do all these activities every day. Or maybe it's just checking it off. Like maybe you just try to fit it in during the week. I'm not really sure if she's suggesting every day. So, but these do sound like daily tasks to me. All right. So over here, Sunday, make menu plan, grocery shop, clean out purse, read the Bible. Well, that's interesting. All right, dust furniture, dust light fixtures and fans, clean mirrors, vacuum house, clean out fridge, mop hard surfaces, take out all trash, clean microwave and stove, clean bathrooms, change towels in bathrooms, restock toilet paper, change bedroom sheets, clean electronic screens, sort paperwork and mail, take out all trash, clean baseboards. So, I mean, I don't think this is a bad list. It's a lot of work. Let's just go through. Let's see. Are the next pages all the same? I think this is a rinse and repeat. Yeah, it's a rinse and repeat every day. So this is a new type of way that we see in the horizontal where it actually has some tasks for you each day. And, they're a little different. Let's see. So you have dust furniture, vacuum house, but over here you had clean mirrors and what else is missing? Vacuum couch. The couch. So this is different. Vacuum the couch versus the house. So I guess they are a little different. These are all the same. The Bible verses are different. Clean electronic screens. So they're slightly different, it looks like. Dust furniture, dust light fixtures and fans. Yeah, that's different. Clean mirrors, vacuum house. Maybe this would be the ideal list I would just give to the housekeeper. I don't know that I would do these every day. Okay, and now we have a January budget worksheet. So complete your written budget at the beginning of each month. Put money into a separate savings account for larger purchases that you save money for. Vacation, car repairs. So here we have charity, which makes sense. You have to tithe 10% for the church. Other donations, savings, obviously college if you have children, housing, first, second mortgage, home insurance, real estate taxes, HOA, repairs, utilities, medical, clothing, food, personal, transportation, miscellaneous. So again, very much dedicated to a household with children. So I think this is perfect for a mom or a stay-at-home mom or even a career mom, a working mom, to think of all the different things. So I think this is a rinse and repeat, like I said. Yeah, clean out purse, make menu, everything else. Now, I will say what does save me a lot of time because I don't cook at all is I'd never have to plan or prep dinner, wash or put away dishes, clean. I guess I should clean the kitchen counters, but they don't really get that dirty since I'm getting takeout. It doesn't even go into the kitchen. It just goes right down to the living room where we eat. Wipe down kitchen sink. Let's see, make dinner, prep meals, put away dishes, clean kitchen counters, wipe down kitchens. I mean, pretty much more than half of this list is just gone if you just get carry out for every meal, which I know everyone's like, you should cook at home. It's really a huge, colossal waste of time if you don't like it, and you can see all the tasks associated with it. Okay, so this is pretty much the planner for the whole year. Rinse and repeats every month. And then December, do we have anything different for the end of the year? We do not. We just have a notes page. It has a pocket folder inside of here, and that's it. So what did you think? These colors were definitely not my style. And I always think like maybe if I was a mom, I would like these styles, but that's kind of silly. I don't think all moms like the same color. So it's just not the colors that I like. However, I think she did a nice job with the colors that she chose. I think they complement each other perfectly. And I think she put just the right amount of color versus black and white space into this planner. So I think it was very well designed. Let me know what you think. Now, timing for it to go out was really bad, and maybe that's because it had free shipping, or I don't know, maybe she was crafting. I don't think these were handcrafted. I think these were like at a warehouse, but I don't know. It just took forever to get here. So, but otherwise, I think she did an excellent job. Now, remember, if you would like to create your own planner, two things. One, I actually have a budget planner already ready to go for you as a template that you can edit. Tons of different colors you can swap in. And it's also a pop-up shop planner, which means it comes complete with all of the marketing needs that you have, as well as ideas for blog posts and how to hook up your Etsy shop. So all of that is available to you right now in my shop. You can just start selling a budget planner tomorrow. Or you can also sign up for my free 5-day course, which is Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. And I hope everyone is having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.